So this is the Wolf wall mount 36-inch chimney hood. I wanted to show you this not just for the hood aspect, but design capabilities. If you look what they did here in the showroom, it's really a unique idea. They took the wood, they went all the way across, notched it around the hood. So now you have shelving from left to right, continuous. It's really a smart design idea. And that's here in the Roslyn showroom located in Long Island, New York. A very unique. Kudos to the designer who came up with that. This hood is very powerful. It is made for generally electric cooking. It is also made for modules, and it works well with their cooktops. Again, it's a cooktop wall hood. It has perimeter aspiration, no filter in the center, very easy to keep clean, and of course your LED lighting. It has 3 fan speeds and a boost. So if you're looking for a nice hood to complement, whether it be your induction range, your cooktops, or your modules, consider this hood from Wolf. It's really a great looking piece.